With regards to tenant verification, how successful is tenant verification in Goa? It's absolutely totally failed. That still crimes are happening and still they can't detect. For example, I mean, we will take the example of Mapsa dacoity. They were finding it difficult. How they came, from where they came, nothing. We don't have police on the checkpost. We don't have police in the railway station. We don't have police. Intelligence is lacking amongst our Goa police.
The government under Dr. Sawant, our chief minister, has piloted and has got in place the Goa Verification of Tenants Act of 2024. If you remember, now there is a very statutory mandate that is cast upon the owner of the premises to ensure that he collects the information of the tenant and he submits it to the police. Now it is legally meant like a penal provision asa tatun. So now the law has been passed. म्हणजे किती ते circular हाचेर आणि हाचेर ताचेर दवरिल्ली ना ही गोष्ट. It is very statutorily put in place now and it is being executed.
आता तिच्यान तो लॉय सांगलो टेनंट व्हेरिफिकेशन सगळें आसा. सी आवर लॉज आर नॉट वीक. Sometimes we may fall short or we may look weak. So our implementation should be stringent. आणि आमचे सुपरविजन पळय ताजेर जाय न्ही त्या गोष्टीचेर त्यो पॉलिसीज चेंज जावपाक जाय.